Good morning, everybody. I will show you 3 useful knots that I use when I put up my tarp. They're quite easy to make and they're also easy to release, which is a good thing when you're out hiking with the tarp and everything is wet and your hands are cold. You want it to go quick and easy, everything. The working end is the short end of the rope where you make the knot, and the standing part is the long end of the rope. The first knot I will show you is for the ridge line, the first end of the ridge line. It's called the Siberian Hitch or Erik knot, and it goes like this. Take both ends in your hand, the working end, short end, and the standing part. Take the working end around the hand to create a loop. You now want to go around the standing part or capture the standing part like that. At the same time, I turn the hand around so I kind of close this loop here, and I am around. I have captured the standing part. I now grab the loose end with the fingers and pull it through the loop and tighten the knot like so. I pull the knot towards the tree and it's done. This is a slipper ending, and I can open up the whole thing just by pulling this like magic. It comes loose. So that was the Siberian Hitch for the ridge line, the first end. The other end of the ridge line, I'm going to make a knot so I can create tension to the ridge line. This one is called the trucker's hitch. So I go around the tree, take the standing part, a bit away from the tree, not too close, make a loop, and then I take from the outer part, the tree side, take a bite through the loop like so, and there I have my slippery overhand knot. I now take the working end, short end, through this loop, and I can now apply tension as much as I like. Hold my fingers here. Just create a loop around this part and a bite through like so. This is basically 2 slippery overhand knots, the first one and the second one. So I can release this very simply by pulling this end and like so. The third knot I will make is also an adjustable knot. It's very good to have in the front of the tarp. There's a few different versions of this one. I believe this one is called Midshipman's Hitch and is also recommended by animatedknots.com, a very good site for learning knots. I'll leave a link in the description where you can read more about all of these knots. Very good descriptions there, how to make them. The Midshipman's Hitch. Start with a loop, like with so many knots. You then take the loose end through the loop, make a round turn around the standing part, and again through the loop inside the first loop. And one last round turn, but this time we go outside the loop. And we finish it with a slippery ending, so I take the bite from the loose end and stretch the whole thing. There. So we can now adjust the length of the rope by pulling this along the standing part, and it stays there under tension, but we can still move it very easy. So, very useful knot. And as it is a slippery ending to it, we can just pull it loose, very easy. Okay, that was 3 quite useful knots. I hope you make good use of them. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you on the coming adventures this summer. Goodbye.